A particle that is projected under gravity other than vertical is called a projectile. The angle of projection is the angle of initial velocity with the horizontal plane. The path described by the particle is what we call a trajectory, and the range of projectile is the distance between the point of projection and the point where trajectory meets any horizontal plane through the projection. This is the concept of projectile. It's also an elementary concept, but there are certain formulas that are very much required as far as engineering mechanics is concerned. Like flight time, which is denoted by small t, it is given by 2 into u sine alpha by g. Then we have maximum height that the projectile can attain, that is given by h is equal to u square sine square alpha by 2g. And then there is range, that is given by u square sine 2 alpha by g. Now you have noticed that when you are throwing certain object up in the air, not vertical but with an angle, you must have noticed with different angles of your projection of your throwing the object, the range changes, the maximum height that it is attaining, it changes. But as far as the range is concerned, the distance, the projectile, the path, that is the trajectory is followed, it is maximum, the range is maximum for one particular angle, and that angle is 45 degrees or pi by 4. Now in case of vertical projection, the maximum height becomes h is equal to u square by 2g, because angle of projection is how much? 90 degree pi by 2. That means the formula that we have earlier studied, that is h is equal to u square sine square alpha by 2g, in that sine square alpha becomes 1, because the angle is what? Angle is pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 or sine 90 degrees 1. And the time taken to reach a height, let's say h, would be given by u by g. When we compare it with the flight time of a projectile which is being projected with a particular angle, in that case we can say the time taken is what? 2u sine alpha by g. But in case of vertical projection, it is only attaining a height h, then it is returning back. That's why here the time taken or the flight time would be u by g.